Welcome to Fall 2024 Business 218. Now, all of you have been in Business 216 as a prerequisite, so you know we have two awesome websites. Our People website here, that has the syllabus, the introductory video which you're watching, all the videos, all the Excel workbooks, and the handouts. There's no textbook to buy in this class. And then we have Canvas, all that's over in Canvas. In the home area, we have quizzes. You take those are true, false, multiple choice quizzes. And we have test upload links. There will be announcements. I haven't made any yet, but at least a few each week. And discussions if you want to ask questions. Now let's go back to our People website. This is where all the action happens. Let's start by looking at our syllabus. All right, right at the top, there's a table of contents, and it is a hyperlink table of contents. So if you want to jump straight to the schedule, there it is. There is no schedule over in Canvas. It's here at the end of the syllabus at our People website. This is where you go to look and see what we're going to do each day. So for example, week 1, you don't have to study any Excel. All you have to do is study the syllabus, watch this introductory video, and obtain access to a PC computer with Microsoft 365 Excel. Now, you can't use a Mac or any other type of computer because in the business world, they use PC computers. And the most used program in the world, well, it's Excel. So you have a whole week to do that. That means when you get to September 30th, you already have your PC computer and you are ready to start learning and having fun with Excel. Week 1, Introduction to Excel. There's the video. It's at our People site. I'll show you that in just a moment. And then at the end of the week, notice 10-6 here before midnight, you take quiz 1 in the home area of Canvas. There's no test for this week. Then week 3, here's our topic, here's the video. And sure enough, before Sunday night, you take the quiz and you download the Excel test from below video number 2, which we'll go look at in just a second, and finish it and upload it before midnight. Now here's the thing. For each week that doesn't have a particular topic, all you have to do is study whatever you studied the week before and complete the test. So in essence, these 2 tests go with everything you studied here. And then it continues. Week 5, we have a topic. Video 3, quiz before Sunday at midnight. First test before Sunday at midnight. And then the second test, it's all based on what you learned up here. That's got to be finished on the following Sunday before midnight. All right, now I'm going to jump to the top of this syllabus. I'm going to use the home key. And just a few things to look at. There's my name. There's my office telephone number, email, and there's my office. Now, the thing I love most, since I'm always on campus filming videos, is if you come and visit me. Now, I know this is an online class. Sometimes I teach in class. But you can come in anytime you want to get help. Now, Tuesday and Thursday, here's my scheduled time. But you can email or phone me to make an appointment at other times between Monday and Saturday. I am flexible. I can meet your demands, even if it's in the morning, the evening, sometimes even on Saturday. Now here's all the description of what we're going to do in the class. It's just have fun and gain power with Excel. I'm going to let you read through most of this syllabus. There's the requirements. And here's the link if you need to check out a computer from Highline College. And here's the link if you already have a computer, but you need to download Highline's free Office 365. If you can get a full keyboard, this is easier to use. And in the business world, we use these F keys and the number pad all the time. It's just faster and easier to use this type of keyboard. Now, lots of us, including me, have to use laptops sometimes. And the only thing you want to be aware of, well, there's no number pad to make entering numbers quick and easy. But the F keys at the top, you have to click the FN or FX key to access these. Now, luckily in video number 1, I show you an easy way to switch this on your laptop. So then you can have direct access to those F keys. Now the rest of the syllabus, there's the tests. These are Excel tests. They're available in a link below the video. You download it and complete it. It's just like what you studied in the videos. There's 8 tests. Quizzes, true, false. There's 5, I think there are. It says 8 here, but there's actually only 5. Another important thing, the Canvas gradebook is not correct. And all that means is that the score is correct. But if you look at the percentages at the end of the gradebook, those are only for completed assignments. So if you haven't completed all the assignments and it says 80%, that's completely wrong. So look at the scores, not the percentages. Here's the grading scale, grading feedback. I am famous here at Highline for grading everything that you hand in within 24 hours. So that's my grading feedback policy. Now I want to click the back button, and I'm going to click week 3 and 4. So here's the video. When I click this, I jump over to YouTube. And you watch the video all the way through, and you know how to move forward and backwards and all that. But below the video, here's a more button. Sometimes it says show more. You click. There's a time hyperlink table of content for all the topics in the video. Now, the first time you watch it, you just watch it straight through. But if you're doing a quiz or a test, or later in your job when you're trying to remember how to do something, you just come, click the more button, and sure enough, you can jump to any topic you want. All right, I'm going to click the back button. Before you start watching the video, just like Business 216, you download the Excel file and you use that to follow along what you see in the video. Following along with the video is how you practice for the quizzes and tests. PDF notes, these are awesome. You can right-click, save link, and then download it and print it out. They have a complete summary of the video, or you can simply click it and view it here online. Click the back button. Now here it is, week 3 and 4. This test is due before the end of week 3, the Canvas quiz before the end of week 3. But the following week, all you have to do is you've studied all of this, so do the second test. And this is due by the end of week 4. All right, I'm going to click the back button, go over to Canvas. Now, grades, you can go look at your scores there. Announcements, I'll make announcements. But discussions, I want to click right here. Discussion posts are not required for this class. If you have a non-test or non-quiz question, you can post here in the discussion area. Do not post questions about tests or quizzes here. If you have a question about one of those, you email or phone me. Now, really, the best way to get a hold of me is by email, phone, or come in and see me in my office. All right, here's home. Just to remind you, there's a quiz for week 1 and 2, week 3 and 4. There's the quiz. There's the 2 upload links. Here's week 5 and 6, the quiz, 2 upload links, and so on. All right, this is going to be an awesome quarter, gaining power with Excel so you can do what you want in your job and in your personal life. And on top of that, we'll have fun studying Excel. All right, we'll see you next video.